Hey, today I want to talk about how to buy quality PLR. PLR stands for private label rights. You probably know that since you're looking for videos about PLR. Private label rights is basically content that is done for you, and you can claim ownership and you can use it as your own. PLR products come with different rights, so you need to make sure you understand the license and what you're allowed to do with it. But it is a great way to fast track your online business. I'm not going to go into any great detail about how to use PLR, as I assume you probably have some good ideas for that if you're watching this video and trying to find it. But just real quickly, PLR products, it can be used in a variety of ways. It can be used for email marketing. It can be used content on blogs, on websites. You can buy products that you can rebrand and then sell as your own. You can add them to membership sites. So it's just a great way to get content that you don't need to worry about creating the content because you're buying content that is done for you. So we're going to look at some different ways to buy PLR. I'm going to show you some really good sites and how to find quality PLR. But the first thing I want to do is talk to you about the three most common ways, I should say, that PLR is sold. So it's usually either going to be sold through a membership site, and that's usually some kind of monthly or yearly fee to join that membership site. Or it's sold on a credit system, so where you purchase credits, or you can buy it in a one-off fashion, so where you're not having to join any kind of membership or purchase credits, but you can just buy it one-off directly. So let me go to one of my favorite sites. This is a site I use all the time called bigproductstore.com. So bigproductstore.com, they've been around for about 10 years, releasing new products all the time. And, they have over 10,000 products, and they do upload all the time. If we go to Browse All Products, you can see today's January 27th, so they released this today, yesterday, the day before, 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 So about 12 products they've released in the past 3 days. So they're uploading new products all the time, lots and lots of different niches, blogging, making money online, self-help. These are some health ones. Religion, cooking, again, self-help, just lots and lots. And then they have all kinds of different types of products, audio products, video products. These are like articles, ebooks, etc. And then this is something new where they have some higher end maybe type of things these are video like backgrounds and lower thirds and things like that, graphics, etc. So they do have actually a lot of things that come as free products. So you can join a free account and actually have access to quite a few things. Or, they do have they run a membership, okay? And so it'll take us down to their membership. And so basically, you can either join, get access to their, regular products, which I think is fine. I have this lifetime account. You can pay monthly, $20 a month, or a one-time payment of $98.50, $100. So this is what I got. If you do the $20 a month, after 5 months, you're going to be here. So if you're planning to use PLR on a, somewhat regular basis and make it a part of your online business, then probably worth to just get the one-time payment. And then you have unlimited access and downloads. You're not buying per product. You just get access to everything. Now, if you want to get some of their exclusive content, okay, then it's going to be a little more per month or lifetime, but it's still just a one-time. So, in my opinion, not a bad way to go. So this is a typical membership type structure. And let's go over to another site called PLRMe, PLR.me. This is also a very high quality site where you can get great PLR content, okay? And they have products in all types of, they call them categories, but, niches. So you can go through and see all the different niches that they offer. And again, lots of different types of products: articles, action guides, lead magnets, checklists, ebooks, slides, etc. Okay. You can also get a free account with them. So they have a free account option as well. But their pricing is a credit system. So if we go to their pricing page and we scroll down, now they have, so big product store had over 10,000. They have over 15,000 products. So similar and lots of products. And may even be, the same products, right? But let's scroll down. They kind of talk a lot before you actually get to what the credits are, because to me, and this is probably just my thing, but credits to me are always a little confusing, right? Obviously, they want you to buy more credits, because the more credits you buy, the cheaper it is per credit, right? So if you buy 2,500 credits per year, then it's only 40 cents per credit. And the fewer credits you buy, the more it costs per credit. Or you can do a pay-as-you-go, which is $2.20 per credit. But then the question is, well, what does a credit get you? And so if we scroll down, you can see credit costs for each product type. So if you're just wanting one article, that's going to cost you 1 credit. If we go back up, if you do pay-as-you-go, that means that one article is going to cost you 1 credit, or $2.20. If you buy the big package of credits, then that article would only cost you 40 cents. So it really can vary quite a bit based on what you're buying. And you see some things can get a little expensive. So ebooks are going to be, 10 credits. If you're doing pay-as-you-go, that's going to be, $20.20 for one ebook. That's pretty pricey, okay? Even if it's 40 cents per credit, that's $4 for an ebook, which again is, in my opinion, pretty pricey. So you got to be a little careful with these credit systems. Now, again, they do have lots of great content, and it's high quality content. So I'm not knocking the site, but again, it's a little confusing. You can see, if you scroll down, here they talk about the credits. What do you get? Do the credits roll over? On some plans they do, so that's good. What do you get? Depending on which plan you go with. And you can see, even though you're purchasing credits, most of these are still a membership thing, right? Now, they do have a one-time. This is obviously their free account, which is limited. They do have a one-time payment for credits. But otherwise, you're going to either do a per month or a per year, okay? And so that's, you got to really take that into account. Obviously, $3.79 per year every year is quite a bit different than the big product store one-time, $100, or if you want their exclusive products and get everything, $200. That's still cheaper than the $3.79 per year. So again, not knocking them, it's just a different pricing structure that goes through credits in a membership type fashion. So that's how credits work. And this is just one site that offers credits. There are others. And then the last way you can buy PLR products is in this one-off fashion. So you can buy them one-off from this site. But if you're trying to find exclusive, a lot of PLR sellers will sell their products and launch them where they offer special pricing during the launch period, which can be anywhere from a few days up to a week or so. And then they raise the price after that. So they're trying to just, create a bunch of interest, a bunch of sales. That helps with future sales because they can prove, it's selling. And so a lot of people who launch products, including PLR products, will launch them on this website called muncheye.com, which is essentially a calendar of upcoming launches. These are just kind of big name product launchers. You can ignore that. Come over to this side, and you'll just see in date order upcoming launches. And if you go and look at the titles, most PLR launches will have PLR in the title. So this is being launched tomorrow. This is the platform, the affiliate platform it's on, which is Warrior Plus. You'll find a lot of PLR products on Warrior Plus. You'll find some on JVZoo. Here's a PLR product on ClickBank. And then, so just as you scroll down, you'll see, here's another one on Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus. You'll see that there is a lot that actually gets listed on, here's ClickBank, but a lot on Warrior Plus. This person does ClickBank, it looks like. But here's, another one on Warrior Plus. That's a different vendor, So anyway, you can go through here and see, and if you click on it, it'll open up and give you more information about the product and what's included. Because some of these products, especially that are sold in a one-off, they'll actually come with a lot more than just the product, okay? So this is a PLR product about Pinterest ads. So it's going to have some kind of training, either in an ebook or maybe in a video format of, about Pinterest ads. But sometimes it'll also include maybe a sales page, done for you sales page. So you can sell this as your own. It'll come with sometimes a free report that you can give away to build an email list, and then that'll try to sell the main product. So a lot of times these will come with more than just the product itself. And so as you can see, a lot of these are listed on the Warrior Plus platform. So let's go over to Warrior Plus. Here's the Warrior Plus affiliate platform. I'm logged into my account, and I just went to affiliates offers. Again, affiliates and offers. Offers are what are being sold. And if you come down here, affiliate offers, and just type in PLR for the keyword and search, again, most PLR sellers will put PLR in the title. So if we scroll down, you can see these are all PLR products because they either listed themselves as a PLR product when they listed the product on Warrior Plus, or again, you can see it just in the title here. So again, quite a variety. You got all kinds of different niches: self-help, NFTs, self-help, podcasting, self-help, health-related, all kinds of PLR. You can click on it, you can get more details, you can see when it was launched, so you can see how new the content is, how many sales they've made, with the refund rate. You can see all of that in Warrior Plus here. So as a reminder, just to recap, private label rights, a great way to get done for you content that you can then use in your online business. So if you're like me, or you're not a great content creator, especially when it comes to blogging or different things, PLR is a great way to get content for your blog, for your email series, for products that you want to sell, for your membership sites, etc. And you're going to typically find PLR products being sold either through these membership sites, like we looked at, like bigproductstore.com. Now some will just, it'll just be strictly a monthly or yearly payment, and you get access to everything. Or some will do credits, like that PLRMe website, where you're getting products on a credit basis. So you don't have. That's a good point I should have made earlier. Is a lot of times when you're buying things on a credit basis, you're not getting unlimited access to everything on that site. You still have to purchase it, but you're purchasing it through credits that you purchase. And a lot of times you purchase those credits in a bulk amount, either on a monthly or a yearly basis. So it's kind of a membership credit hybrid. And then you can buy PLR products in a one-off fashion. Lots of people out there create PLR products and launch them as individual products, like we just saw here on the Warrior Plus affiliate platform. So I hope this helps you understand how to better buy PLR products. I'll leave links for bigproductstore.com in the description box below. I appreciate if you're thinking about getting it, if you wouldn't mind grabbing it through my affiliate link. That helps support the channel. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and please subscribe so you can make sure you get new content as it comes out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it very much.